if you stand 10 metres back between the Lego Chiron and the real Chiron, you really would struggle to tell the difference.
That's the reason why, for example, now we have the A-pillar, the rear wing, or for example, door hinges made of Lego Technic bricks.
We divide the surface of the car into very small triangles and then connect them with flexible elements. So we can actually have this impression of curved surface.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
It really was, yeah. And it actually was gaining a lot more speed as we went along. Every little piece that's on the real Chiron is there. And it's not until you sit and you look and you spend time taking it all in and enjoying the serenity.